In this video, let's discuss how to create signoffs using KTern. Before we dive into the process of creating signoffs, let's see why they are necessary. Signoffs play a crucial role in ensuring that a project meets the required quality standards, and that all stakeholders are aware of the progress made on the project. A signoff is essentially a formal approval of a particular deliverable, or task, by a designated stakeholder or group of stakeholders. To create signoffs in KTern, log into your KTern account, and navigate to the project you want to work on. To access the signoffs feature in KTern, simply navigate to the Transformation Hub on the left-hand side of the screen, and click on the Signoffs tab. To create a signoff item, at least one signoff group should be available in prior. Signoff items can be brought under a new signoff group, or into the already available signoff group. Signoff groups help in categorizing and grouping signoff items based on common attributes such as project phases, functional areas, departments, or any other relevant criteria specific to your organization's needs. By organizing sign-off items into groups, it becomes easier to locate and manage them, thereby improving efficiency and clarity in the sign-off process. To create a new sign-off group, click the plus icon, name the sign-off group. Next, to create a sign-off item, select the Add Sign-Off button and fill in the required details such as the sign-off name, description and approval deadline. Additionally, you will need to select the name of a stakeholder, who will be responsible for approving the sign-off. Here, the KTern allows parallel level and multi-level approvals. Parallel level approvals enable multiple approval processes simultaneously. It allows different approval workflows to be executed concurrently, enabling faster and efficient decision-making. Multi-level approvals, on the other hand, allows for a series of approvals to be obtained from different levels of management or stakeholders, typically based on predefined criteria or rules. Each level of approval may have its own set of approvers. This ensures that critical steps receive appropriate levels of scrutiny and oversight, and helps to enforce compliance with regulatory or organizational requirements. Once you have defined the approval levels and approval criteria, you can save the sign-off and begin tracking its progress. The stakeholders will receive an email notification with a link to the sign-off. They can click on the link to review the sign-off, add comments, and either approve or reject it. To request reapproval, first click on the eye icon of the sign-off item. This will take you to the Stakeholders section, where you can click on the Request Reapproval button to initiate the reapproval process. Once all stakeholders have approved the sign-off, it will be marked as approved in KTern. Thus, KTern allows you to monitor the status of each stakeholder's approval, receive notifications when approvals are pending or completed, and view the history of the sign-off, including any comments or feedback provided by stakeholders. It's a great way to keep your projects on track, and provide transparency on the project progress to all the stakeholders of the project. In the upcoming video, let us look on how to govern the progress in sign-offs.